The Brahman is one of the most popular breeds of cattle intended for meat processing, and is widely used in Argentina, Brazil, Paraguay, United States, Colombia and Australia among many other places. Recent evidence suggests that beef from cattle with a high percentage Brahman parentage has lower marbling, and is less tender on average than beef from other breeds. This has led the cattle industry to impose discounts ranging up to 15% on feeder steers and heifers that show high Brahman inheritance. Brahmans are extremely adaptive, while many describe these cattle as more intuitive and sensitive than other breeds. They do have a protective, aggressive side, like a mama bear protecting her cubs. You do not want to get between a mother Brahman and her calf.